Hi, in front of me is Motorola Razr 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and keyboard that you're currently using, in my case Gboard. Go with Theme, and over here click on Show More to see all available options. Now you can pick a color and apply it, or download one of the images and apply it as well. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!